9600 lumens 120 watts. Contains 40 by 3 watt high-intensity CREE LEDs. 8-degree spot 90-degree flood combo pattern. Black panel design IP67 waterproof rating. Die-cast aluminum housing. Moisture breather reduces moisture buildup. Flat wiring harness with switch. Base and end mounts. Snap-on cover. Noise silencers eliminate wind noises. L by 22.19 D by 3.45 HX3. Bolt diameter, 8 mm. Backed by Rough Country for 3 years. Top reviews from the United States. Works excellent. I put this on my 21 Ford Ecosport and it works perfect. I had a professional installer and I chose to drill 2 holes in bumper to install. However, the wiring. Rather than remove the front end of the car, we had them cut the harness because the plug wouldn't fit through anything. It worked perfect. You may want to add insulator wire if you listen to regular radio. I use Spotify so there's no interference. I love this brand. This is the 3rd one we've used. It's closest to Rigid with the big price. Or their warranty too. It's the brand car manufacturers use when you special order vehicle with light bars.